Hello, family. Welcome back to Legacy Kitchen. Today, with just one coconut, I'll be making some babatutu and some polo, also known as coconut biscuit. So, without further ado, let's get right into it, guys. In my live video yesterday, I made some coconut milk, and here is the shaft, and that's what I'm going to be making use of to do my two recipes. So this video is two in one. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do you think you are doing the right thing? Don't you think you need to join this family? And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much. I love you guys. So I started by adding some sugar to my hot pan, and I started mixing it until everything is completely dissolved. Guys, you see, we are getting there. Yeah, it's a process, but make sure that your gas is not too hot. Now here is what I have. So this is going to be a very long process because I added in extra water to my coconut when I was trying to blend it, so it looks plenty, but guys, that is work. Can you see it, guys? So now I'm going to keep stirring this at interval. So while I'm doing that, then I'm going to go ahead to proceed with the second recipe, which is I'm making use of 2 cups of all-purpose flour and the coconut shaft. That's what I just added to it. This is a Ghanaian snack known as polo or coconut biscuit. I added in some nutmeg masala, some salt. You can see the very small amount of salt I added to it. I added in sugar as well, and I went ahead to add in about 2 tablespoons of butter. Yes, I'm making use of margarine. Yes, guys. So after adding in the butter, then I'm going to go ahead and start mixing it together. Yes, guys. You have to start mixing it together because making use of wet coconut. You can make use of desiccated coconut, but because I just wanted to make use of just my single coconut, that's why I'm making use of it. So I added in a very small amount of water because the coconut shaft is still wet, it is not dry. So I went back to check on my phone, babatutu on fire, and look at what we have now. We are getting closer by the way. So now I left it aside again. Guys, note that it's on a very low heat so that it doesn't get burned. The water doesn't dry too fast and it just get burned. You know, I'm doing 2 recipes at once. So now I put some flour on my work surface and I placed my mixture for polo there. So I use my rolling pin to spread it now, and I'm going to try and cut it into diamond shape. Guys, you're going to manage the shape that I cut it into. You know, I was in a hurry because I was trying to make 2 recipes at once, but all the same, look at it, guys. Now I'm cutting it nicely and it's coming together. Guys, let me know if you are going to be trying this in the comment section, and trust me, you can start this as a business. Yes, guys, it is profitable. Imagine getting just one coconut and you're making polo coconut biscuits and you're making some babatutu from it as well. That is a game changer. So now I'm trying to separate my pastry. While I'm doing that, I poured in some vegetable oil into my pan on fire. Now look at where we are with our babadudu, yes, coconut candy. So now you can see that I'm moving very, very closer to it. So I left it again. Guys, take note on a very low or medium heat. So now my vegetable oil is getting hotter. So I added in some of my polo into it and I started frying it. Guys, make sure you are frying this on a medium heat as well because you don't want to end up having a burnt polo. So look at what we have. I'm going to flip it to the other side now so that other side can also cook. Guys, trust me, this is looking really, really good. So by the time I went back to check on my babadook, it was already getting burnt. So now I'm going to move it. So I hold my work surface and I pour it onto the work surface. So guys, if you don't want it to stick on your work surface, make sure you add in some vegetable oil. So now I checked my polo and it is ready too. So I decided to pack it before I start making the babadu because I don't want to have any of it burnt, guys. If you know that you cannot work at a pace making the two at once, guys, don't try it. Just do it one at a time. So now my first batch of polo is ready, and that's what I'm packing. Yes, guys. So after packing it, I'm going to add in another set onto my vegetable oil. So while I added that to my vegetable oil, I started packing my babadudu gradually. So I thought I had enough clean film at the house, but it was the joke was on me actually, because when I tried to remove the clean film from the roll, I realized that, oh, I have little to nothing left. So when I noticed that, then I started rolling the remaining barbecue out into a ball. So guys, take note, I added in some vegetable oil to my farm so it doesn't stick. And here is what we have now. My barbecue is ready and my polo is ready. You can call it polo or coconut biscuit, but here is what we have. It tastes really, really good, and it looks really good as well. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so. I love you all.